Mm. Hello guys. So I'm sharing my screen. Guys, today I will tell you one important topic. So let's code. So where are we going to code? See, nowadays, no, you no need to install the tools and you no need to work like Visual Studio tool or some other tools, no, like IntelliJ. So what happens, right? So there are a lot of platforms to learn the coding skills or to increase your coding skills. Okay, I'm going to give some of the uh, platforms. If you want to learn coding properly, no, you can use our websites and you can learn from there. So there are some good coding skill platforms which I am going to showcase you today. Okay. So these are the I have rated myself like these are the platforms to increase coding skills, guys. Either it can be a developer, either it can be a tester, so they can use and they can develop their coding skills or increase their coding skills. One is HackerRank, LeetCode, CodeChef, HackerX, Top Coder, Coding Bat, Google Code Jump. So totally, I am listing the seven of the platforms, coding skill platforms. So anyone you can choose and you can you can improve your coding skills or you can go with some like so it will be like so if you are going to improve your analytics as well as coding skills and also technical terms I can say. So you are going to learn uh, solving so resolving skills, so your problems on resolving skills. So you can improve your coding skills by practicing in these websites, in these platforms. I hope this is a very useful session, guys. See, anyone requires problem solving type only, right? So any job requires problem solving type. By utilizing or by using these platforms and when we increase problem solving statements, no, by using these platforms, improving coding skills, no, that is more enough for cracking an interview or also developing analytics of mind, etc. Thank you, guys.